Welcome to Amazon Accelerate. We are here in Seattle, and I cannot wait to take you along this journey because we're going to be finding some of the top Amazon sellers in the world, and we're going to be asking them one very important question, and that is, what is their number one tip that they have for new sellers? Something that's actionable, something that you guys can implement right now. So with that said, let's get into it. We got Amazon Ads Speedway. Here we go. We've got a driver here. Oh wait, that's Andy. We're doing a video asking the number one tip for new Amazon sellers.
My advice, use AI. I think for new sellers, it can get really expensive to do product photography, content editing, for listing photos, for videos. So leverage AI as much as possible and pump out that content. So volume, test. Use it for ads, use it for social media, use it for your product listings, for your A+ content.
Amazing. And we are at Amazon Accelerate, where they actually just announced Creative Studio. You guys can check it out and implement Andy's tip that he just gave us. All right, we got another seller in the wild right here. Gavin, what is your number one tip that you have for new Amazon sellers?
I actually really like a rule called rule-based bidding, which essentially helps take high-performing keyword budgets from the low-performing keywords. So what it does essentially is you enter your target ROAS, which for me is 6. At that point, it will automatically help the campaign reach that ROAS by making sure that the budget is on the high-performing keywords.
Let's go. You guys heard it here first. Let's go to the next person. See what we got. Oh, here we've got a photo booth. Eric, very important question that we're going to ask you. Okay. What is your number one tip that you have for a beginner Amazon seller?
Great for beginners, but also for people who are actively in scaling hard as well. And that would be simply to launch more variations, but specifically color variations. The way you're going to do this is by actually looking at keywords. So let's say, for instance, you're selling a black phone case and you see that there's a white phone case, like tons of keywords for that. Go and launch a white phone case and then order a couple hundred units, test it. And what this is actually going to do is it's going to allow you to get a really high conversion rate blended for your actual full listing, your parent listing. And it's going to make everything so much better. Your ranks are going to go up. And because you have the ability to scale it without ordering too much inventory, you can just test as many as you possibly need.
Variations, baby. Let's go to the next one. Give us your number one tip for new Amazon sellers. Let's hear it.
I personally think that every single Amazon seller should be testing their product before they even launch it. I think there's 2 ways of doing this. Number one is from a creative standpoint, so actually visualizing and creating your concept and putting it up against some form of split testing software. You can even throw it into a focus group. Or number 2 is actually looking at data points. I think that in order to minimize risk on the front end, if you can test your idea, that is the key to winning on Amazon, is being unique in some way, shape, or form and staying in that format all the time.
Split testing. Let's go. Next one. All right, Kaj, my good friend here at Amazon Accelerate. All right, we've got one tip I want from you. This is for new sellers. What do you got?
Okay, great. Well, so I was actually just working on a purchase order for one of my brand partners in terms of forecasting for the 4th quarter. So especially for resellers, a lot of people don't think about making sure you have enough inventory for those higher demand days, Prime Days coming up, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So just making sure that you have enough stock so you don't run out of stock during like those peak times can add tons and tons of revenue and margin into your business.
If you don't have inventory, you're basically just missing out on sales. And whether you are a reseller, private label, does not matter. This tip is applicable to everyone. So thank you.
It's huge. Thanks, man.
All right, look at this. We've got another friend of mine, Brandon. All right, I'm putting you on the spot. What is your number one tip for new sellers? This is not fluff. This is something that somebody is listening to right now and they can go and implement today.
Choose the right product, validate it with your budget, validate it with design, be disruptible or disrupting, and then go ahead and launch it with this guy.
We got Content Studio right here, Amazon Ads. Oh, whoa, they're doing a podcast, but we're gonna interrupt you guys. Is that all right? I need to ask Melissa, because you're just amazing, and she is crushing it in the Amazon game. I'm asking people their number one tip for new Amazon sellers. This is not fluff. This is like something that's actionable, and that somebody can be like, okay, I'm gonna take this and run with it. What do you got?
You just need to be a student of life. I think that people often are afraid to spend on their inventory or their first set of inventory, but if you think about going to school, like I went to school for communications and business management. One course is $2,500 in tuition, but if I had put that into inventory, I can learn as I go and you're more hands-on. So you just have to do it. That's the easiest thing that I can say. Just just do it.
Amazing. Let's go. Thank you so much. Look at who I just found right here. These lovely ladies. I need to ask you guys, what is the #1 tip that you have for new Amazon sellers? Something that's actionable, cut the fluff, and give me something that someone can implement.
Learning from some of the rising stars the last few days, what I've realized is that everybody waits for that perfect moment when they feel ready, and there isn't such a thing. The time to do it is just right now. So even if you feel like it's imperfect, you can figure it out as you go, and there's no reason to just wait for that day that will probably never come.
You heard it here first. Take action. All right, Mandeep, what do you got?
Okay, well, that was my answer.
You're in sync.
Okay, but I will say, I think the one thing I've learned, and when I think back to my journey over 6 years ago, I was afraid to get started in advertising, but advertising is such a crucial piece to your Amazon strategy, and you need to learn how to do it. So test, pay attention to all the new tools, try them out, and see which ones work well for your business, your brand, and your products, and scale accordingly. Never compare yourself to others also. That's a second bonus tip, because comparison is the thief of all joy.
Love it. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Those tips were amazing. Make sure to rewatch, take notes, and most importantly, take action. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and I'll put a link in the description for some resources from Amazon ads. And I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.